Drink a coffee 2 meters from the boat. I need photo.
Drink a coffee 2 meters from the boat?
From the boat.
I don't understand that.
There is not a lot of place for you can do this.
Drink a coffee too.
Oh.
From the boat. That close to the water.
Where are we now?
In Jamaica, for sure, you can do this.
No, where are we? In
Villefranche.
And we are having coffee with Charmaine, Cecile,
Yeah, man.
Caris, and come. I can see myself. Yo, hold this. Put it on me also. I don't know why I'm always in the background. Do you see me? Hi, from Villefranche. And we are heading to Monaco right now, okay? So we will continue when we get to Monaco, okay? Ciao. This is a nice boat here, but I can't see it's so cool. But anyway, we'll talk later. We are by the water. Nice. It's not a lot of people here now because it's a bit early, but you know. This is where we are.
I'm wearing the rum the last.
Okay, totaler.
Only for video for the données. Oh yeah. Tu fais, ça arrête et après tu fais une coupe avec un. Oh, let me see. Video is darling, I pick up. Can you imagine? Go cook.
I'm in the woods. Picking woods to do barbecue. Can you imagine all the way in, where are we? In Nice. Wow. Never in my life I thought I would be doing this. Can you imagine? Oh my goodness. You got a barbecue today.
Even Charmaine come out and I pick up. And Charmaine?
Yeah.
You go tell myself that I pick up none of them. What about this? C'est que Gloria elle a dit? Si elle ramasse pas, elle mange pas.
Oh yeah.
Gloria can make you move, right, Charmaine?
Oh my goodness.
photo.
Drink a coffee 2 meters from the
2 meters
boat?
from the boat.
I don't understand that.
There is not a lot of place for you can do this.
Drink a coffee 2
Oh.
away from the boat. That close to the water.
Where are we now?
In Jamaica, for sure, you can do this.
No, where are we? In
Villefranche.
and we are having coffee with Charmaine, Cecile,
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Caris, and come. I can see myself. Yo, hold this. Put it on me also. I don't know why I'm always in the background. Do you see me? Hi, from Villefranche. And we are heading to Monaco right now, okay? So we will continue when we get to Monaco, okay? Ciao. This is a nice boat here, but I can't see it's so good. But anyway, we'll talk later. We are by the water. Nice. It's not a lot of people here now because it's a bit early, but you know.
Est-ce qu'on va aux piscines?
This is where we are.
I'm wearing the rum.
Okay, totaler.